Did you know that a 108MP camera can capture a photo with enough detail to let you zoom in and see individual grains of sand? That's some serious pixel power. The Infinix Hot 40 Pro is the latest smartphone aiming to redefine mobile photography with its impressive 108MP camera. This device is generating a lot of buzz, especially among photography enthusiasts who are looking for high-quality images without breaking the bank. With its sleek design and robust features, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro seems to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. The anticipation around its camera capabilities is particularly high, given the growing demand for better mobile photography. As we dive deeper into what makes the Infinix Hot 40 Pro special, it's clear that Infinix has been working hard to make a name for itself in the smartphone industry. The brand has been focusing on delivering high-quality devices that offer great value for money. Infinix's mission is to provide affordable smartphones with advanced features, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. Over the years, Infinix has built a reputation for its innovative approach to smartphone design and technology. The Hot 40 Pro is a testament to Infinix's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile photography. By combining a high-resolution camera with advanced software features, Infinix aims to bring professional-grade photography to the masses. So, what makes the Infinix Hot 40 Pro stand out? For starters, its 108MP camera is a major highlight. This sensor allows for incredibly detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. The device also boasts a long-lasting battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Whether you're snapping photos, streaming videos, or browsing the web, the Hot 40 Pro has you covered. Design-wise, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro sports a sleek and modern look that's sure to turn heads. The phone's software is also noteworthy, with several enhancements that optimize performance and user experience. Infinix has also paid attention to the little details, like providing a range of color options to suit different tastes. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find the features you need. One of the key software enhancements is the AI-powered camera, which helps to improve image quality and offer advanced features like scene detection and object tracking. The Infinix Hot 40 Pro also supports 4K video recording, allowing you to capture stunning footage with ease. Additionally, the phone features a large display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing photos. The device's performance is also commendable, thanks to its powerful processor and ample RAM. The Infinix Hot 40 Pro's camera is undoubtedly one of its strongest selling points. In our tests, the camera delivered impressive results, capturing detailed and vibrant photos with ease. In low-light conditions, the camera performed admirably, with minimal noise and good color accuracy. The camera's autofocus is also quick and accurate, making it easy to capture sharp photos of moving subjects. However, the camera isn't without its flaws. In very bright conditions, we notice some overexposure issues, which can result in blown-out highlights. Video recording capabilities are also impressive, with smooth footage and good stabilization. But, there are some limitations to the camera's capabilities, such as the lack of optical zoom. Despite these limitations, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro's camera is a major step forward for mobile photography. The phone's camera app is also user-friendly, with a range of modes and features to help you get the best shot. When comparing the Infinix Hot 40 Pro to other smartphones in the same price range, it holds its own against the likes of Xiaomi's Redmi Note series and Realme models. These competitors also offer high-resolution cameras and robust features, but the Infinix Hot 40 Pro's combination of camera quality, battery life, and design make it a compelling choice. The Redmi Note series, for example, is known for its excellent value for money, but the Infinix Hot 40 Pro's camera gives it an edge. Realme models, on the other hand, offer a range of advanced features, but the Hot 40 Pro's user-friendly interface and software enhancements make it more accessible. Personally, I've been using the Infinix Hot 40 Pro for a while now, and I've been impressed with its camera performance. From landscapes to portraits, the phone has consistently delivered high-quality photos that I'm proud to share. The camera's ability to capture detailed images in low-light conditions has been particularly useful for me. I've also appreciated the phone's battery life, which has easily lasted a full day on a single charge. In conclusion, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking for a smartphone with an exceptional camera. Overall, I'd give the Infinix Hot 40 Pro a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a great device for photography enthusiasts and budget-conscious consumers alike. The phone's combination of camera quality, battery life, and design make it a compelling choice in the mid-range market. If you're in the market for a smartphone with a top-notch camera, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to check out my other videos on smartphone reviews. Your feedback is valuable, so please leave your thoughts on the Infinix Hot 40 Pro in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.